Hey, mother.
Hey, love.
I'm vlogging today. Okay, so it's currently June 17th. We're going to the DMV to take the permit test.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Yes, sir.
Now serving.
Hey, oh, not gonna lie, that was pretty easy. First try. Okay, guys, I just got home like 30 minutes ago, and we're just like, you know, kind of eating because we're gonna go to Knott's. Just cause we're not gonna go to Knott's just cause.
Because it's my birthday.
Yes, sir.
I want to go on the mini roller coaster, yeah.
Desi, where you at? It's her birthday, y'all. You have any words to say on your 9th birthday?
I'm 9.
But we're going to Knott's. It's kind of hot out,
I want to go on the mini roller coaster.
but I think it's fun. What?
I want to go on the mini roller coaster with you.
Okay.
Because last time I was going to go on it, but we just ate. And then
We
I
ate,
could've
yeah.
threw up.
Okay. So we have Mikey here. Bro, I don't know if you can see this. So we're here. How was it, mother? How was it? This line is crazy. I can't really show it, but like, it's very much cool. So, hold on. I don't know if we'll have time to get in, honestly. No? Sheesh, we're at till 3. It's like 11. No. But we're gonna go find some shade because it's hot. And then we have Desi. And we don't have Desi or anything. But look. Okay, guys, we're all the way back there. But this is the line. And it keeps going. Yo, we're here. I don't really be wearing hats, but like, I'm not trying to get a face mask tan. I can never say it. Honestly, the line's moving way quicker than expected. We made it. It's not as packed as it looked, but it's still kind of packed, you know? Alright, y'all. We're still waiting. Well, we're in the park, but we're waiting for Desi. My mother just exploded that sparkling water. Alright, let's take a picture, Desi. We just got Desi's pictures. It's not that bad as it looks at the line, honestly. What do you think?
What?
How do you think it looks between the line and this? Compared.
I think you just got
I don't think it's that bad. I mean, the line's crazy, but. Got a horse. Cindy's outside because she has allergies, and this is gonna murder her. So let's go interview her. What happened?
So the last time I went in there, I almost had an asthma attack. And I did not have my inhaler. So, I was wheezing and gasping for air.
Well, that's that. I'm gonna go in. I have asthma, but that doesn't happen to me. I don't think I'm allergic to it. I'm allergic to like dogs and stuff, but I don't know. It doesn't really affect me. See? What's over here? Got a horse. Touch it.
Bars, not through the bars. Over the bars. I don't want you accidentally breaking your arm.
I was just making fun of Cindy, and now my eyes are very itchy. We keep stopping though, so yeah.
Bruh, I used to work here about 5 years, 15 years ago.
I worked everywhere. Look, I think that sky cabin, they're not using it.
Where did you get that?
Oh, we just cross-vlogged. Guys, we finally made some progress. We didn't come back to this area last time. I don't think so. So I think right now we're going to bumper cars because Desi wants to go on. Yeah. It's packed, but it's not that packed, you know? We haven't hit any lines inside though, so I don't know yet. I'm low-key, I'm chilling. Pretty empty over here. Yeah. Found a little game here to make that in the hook. Ah, focus. Focus. Kashi. Wanna try? They even got these little sinks. Okay. Look who Desi spotted. Look who she found. This is feeling like Disneyland. We're going on this ride called Berry Toes. Okay. Let's see. What's going on? We finally made it to a line. Mikey, how you feel? Okay, cool. We're going up. It's mad hot. Huh? There's no line. There will be up there. Alright. We hit our first line. They said it's like 2 minutes. So it shouldn't be that bad. 1 minute, alright. This line isn't that bad. The ride is right there. I think we're chilling. Look at that car. My mother. Yo, she's a Dodgers fan and she's wearing an Angels cap. We saw some lady that looked like Megan Rapinoe. I don't know if it was her though. I doubt it. What the? I've never seen that in my life. That's crazy. We're like right here. They have these plastics, but you can't see it. But like, you know, prevents all that spitting. Look at how that closes down. Alright, we're almost there. I'll give it like 5 minutes max. Alright, we made it. Yeah. I got it in, y'all. I got it in. I got it in. Oh yeah. Oh, not the slide. I think pause. And we haven't moved. They're right here. There's pause too. There's weed. I was scared. Oh, that's funny. Where's Mikey? Chad. Guys, we got out of that one. That was fun. So I think we're going to the bumper cars next. But yeah. Careful, Leslie. Go, go. You enjoying your birthday so far? Still gotta go eat with Samara. Oh look! pretty sure. I don't know. We might be in the next one. Desi found the car she wants to be in. Oh no, I think it's. Oh. Alright, you can drive it. You're tall enough. You reach it? Perfect. Put that over. Are you ready? My mother's over there. You got Cindy and Mikey. Them lanes, they don't want to come on here. We're gonna have Desi driving this one. Sir. This is your first time driving? This is Desi's first time driving this because she's never been that tall. But she grew. She's 9. For your 9th birthday, you're driving it. And her foot reaches, so that's good. Desi, what's your plan?
To bump all the old people.
She said to bump all the old people. That's pretty messed up, you know. We got somebody in front of us that's the victim, the first victim of Desi's first driving moment. So, yeah. I don't think they're gonna let me record, honestly. This guy is very much slow. So we'll see how long he takes. Ah, he's good. First victim. Desi's going crazy. Fun? Yeah. Let's go. Yo, the GOAT, Devin Booker. We're gonna win the Western Conference Finals for sure. Sheesh. It's so nice out today. You know, we just got off the bumper cars. I'm not sure where we're going next. I think we're going to the spinning the hats. I don't know. Better go in here.
Times and hold on to the grab bar in front of you. For your safety and for the safety of those around you, the use of self.
So I just got off of that ride over there and my hat done flew off. I think Cindy recorded it on the camera, but my hat flew off. I thought it was gonna go in the water, not gonna lie. Got a little radio station up in here.
Time's up. All right, I'ma give me one of the 2 popular berries.
Strawberry.
Yes, that's absolutely correct, Ima. Now I just need one more berry name and you won $10,000. Now for $10,000, what is your second berry name?
Right. I will never, ever in my life go on that ride right there. That spinning one. Ever in my life. But we're going to catch Doobie for Desi right now. I think she wants to go on a roller coaster. What ride do you want to go on?
Fast.
What? Never mind. She wants to go on the hat dance. But I don't know if I could go on another spinning one, to be honest. But I guess I'm going to go. We're about to go on this, Desi. I don't know if you're like trying to make me sick. But I just went on a spinning ride and I'm on an empty stomach and that's not going to feel good at all. So, wish me luck. You feel good about this? Sir. I'm gonna switch to the camera because it's easier to hold and it won't fly out my hand. But you alright? Why are you so silent? What's going on? Alright, we're about to go on it.
And then they carry snow.
We're in. Let's go. It's a hat. I actually banged my head on this a little while ago. Just thinking about it is so funny. Alright. So oh my god, look at this one. Go, let me. Which way? I gotta get the tooth. Keep going. It's not spinning. This thing is heavy. Are we stopping? We got a little bit, right? Yeah. Oh, it's tiring. How'd you enjoy it?
Okay.
I was low-key scared because she spins it very fast. And I just went on another spinning ride, so I'm chilling though. I'm not like dizzy or anything. How you feel? This is the old cave from up there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. What's going on over here? Look at Desi. Trombone. Alright guys, I think we're going to Camp Snoopy now for Desi. I mean, this whole day has been Desi. But like, she wants to go on a ride over there, you know? It is very hot. When my hat flew off, Cindy recorded that. I'm going to put that in.
One night, got your hat.
When my hat flew off, I felt the heat immediately. So, here we go. Go ahead. You want to go? Yeah? Alright. We're gonna go on the bus. Desi wanted to come on the bus, so here we are.
Welcome, campers.
Hands up, Desi! Hands up! He was looking at me
Slowly coming to an end. Please remain seated till the buses come to a full and complete stop.
She wants to go on this like little roller coaster that they have, but I honestly used to be so scared of this ride. I used to be terrified. Really, it's nothing. But yeah, is this your first time? Oh, okay. Alright, well, I'll record it. I believe we're going to Calico, and then after Calico, we're out. Gotta go eat. You good? We're out here. Imagine we fell in.
Awesome. Here we are. So you can choose. Come on, choose that card.
20 minutes later.
Did it work, Michael?
How much money is in this?
I don't know. I think 5. Try 5. Check and see if it works.
The color is different. What's going on? What's going on? I think it's good now. Alright, we out of here. Thank you. I believe we're going to go eat at Harry's. Since when did Dale not look like jail? I used to call it Jail Junior. Once you wear a hat, you can't go back. Your hair will be messed up. Yeah. And then I tried to fix it, and then it went all poofy. So, we're right to Harry's, and we're gonna eat. And I'm so glad because I'm very hungry. Woo! But yeah, we're with the family, and the rest is coming soon. Okay. We're looking for a spot right now. See? Okay. We're looking for a spot right now. You're gonna choose all these. Yep. Birthday. It's finally time to eat. I'm so hungry. Yep. What's the news today, Cindy?
The news is there is no news. Nothing happened. Oh, except for I twisted my foot again because my dumbass wanted to move it. And it scraped sideways.
Always with the henny.
Huh?
Sandy. You're always with the Sandy.
Well, and then I hurt my foot again.
Alright, y'all. So I got my drip. SpongeBob. Oh, look. The
Can
wedding
I
here.
have a beer? No.
Jasmine, say what's up to the vlog.
Happy birthday, Leslie. La popis.
I feel like every time I'm vlogging, we go out to eat. It just makes us look so fat. I'm gonna get a burger again. I'm very basic.
I'm getting a bacon cheeseburger. What do you have? Same bacon cheeseburger?
Let's get a cheeseburger. Alright. I guess we're taking down this whole aisle. I'm just trying to eat. Oh, you dropped your phone. Call her, call her. Do it. What is Bobby bussing? She's grubbing. What'd you get, mother?
Why would you do that, you asshole?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try this. I'm honestly not sure how spicy this is, but I'm gonna try it. I'm a weenie, so like.
Para caminarlo.
I saw that we have blueberries on. I'm doing the same as the
What do I do? I broke. I'm crying. I can't do this for real. I don't know how to explain it. Like my ears are like burning. I'm not even joking. She's already burning. My my ears popped. Look at her hair. Look, y'all.
She said I look like a guinea pig.
She said like. Give her a review.
Sharon, I dare.
Desi, I don't know where Samara went. We got Samara over here getting some tats. We're like, where did Samara go? Alright, well, Kimberly and her family just got here. So we're gonna go say hi. We got Desi here. The goat. We ate good. I'm very much full.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely, I have nobody.
Desi's dipping. Happy birthday, ma'am. I think we're gonna go buy. To serve some roaches. I don't know. Hey guys, so like camera died, but like we're leaving. I think we might go back to their house. Yo, a bird just flew out. There's two birds. A bird. Is that a bird? Look at this car. We're at my grandma's house. My birthday's cousin. For my cousin's birthday, we came for the cake, you know? We're just chilling outside because we're not gonna go in. But yeah, we're chilling. Well, that's the end of today's video. Say bye, sir.